Hi investors, it's Bernice with TurnKeyInvest.com, and today we are in the 38053 taking a look at 5964 Wagon Hill Road East in Millington, Tennessee. The best part about this property is that there are no city taxes. This home is listed at $235 flat and it is a 4-bed, 2-bath. Let's go take a look. At first glance, you can tell that this home has a beautiful brick exterior that has been painted blue. It has a 2-car garage. It is located in a quiet cul-de-sac here in Millington, and it does have a new roof if you can take a peek at that. This is a completely renovated home. It also has new floors inside that we will take a look at in just a second. This home is 12 miles north of Memphis. It's about a 20-minute drive to Memphis. It is located near the Naval Support Base here in Millington, Highway 385, Meeman, Shelby Forest Park. Let's go take a look at it. Cute flowers in front. All right, welcome home. Just a quick second, I have to put on booties since it is new flooring. All right, booties on. Upon entry, we have the living room, very spacious living room. New luxury vinyl flooring. Plenty of room for a sectional, maybe 2 couches, and TV here, maybe some bookcases even. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Bedroom 3 has carpet in it. Plenty of room for a full bed, dresser or 2. Spacious closet with wire rack shelving, carpet that flows into the closet. Exiting bedroom number 3, taking a right down the hall. We have bedroom number 2, a little bit larger than bedroom number 3. You could probably fit a full or a queen in here, and a dresser or 2 depending on which bed you decide to go with. Let's take a look at this closet here. Got the same size closet as bedroom number 3. Carpet that flows into the closet, wire rack shelving up top. Now let's go take a look at the bathroom for bedrooms 2 and 3. It is a shared full bath. As you can see, the luxury vinyl flooring is also in the bathroom. Cute vanity. Honestly, there's quite a bit of space in here. It's nice. Now let's go take a look at the primary. Primary is rather large. I would say a queen or a king maybe even, with a dresser or 2 depending on which bed you pick once again. Let's go ahead and take a look at the closet here. Plenty of room for lots of shoes and clothes. Wire rack shelving in the closet, as you can tell. In the primary bed, we do have the wood laminate flooring that flows into the closet here. Let's take a look at the primary bath. The primary bath has a shower, no tub, wood laminate flooring in the, luxury vinyl flooring in the bathroom, along with the primary in the closet. I misspoke. And a large vanity, beautiful vanity. All right. Down the hall in between bedrooms 2 and 3, we have the HVAC system. Just off of the living room and in between bedroom number 3, we have the laundry room. Plenty of room in here for your washer and dryer and any storage needs that you have. Wire rack shelving. Off of this, we have the garage. Plenty of room for 2 cars and any tools that you have, lawn care tools, workbench, or just any extra storage that you have. We do have the breaker box in the garage here. Let's enter back into the house. And we are going to look at the kitchen. The kitchen also has luxury vinyl flooring, freshly painted cabinets, beautiful deep stainless sink, cute backsplash. It is an eat-in kitchen. As you can see, they have a dining table too in front of us here. In the kitchen, we also have pantry door, plenty of room for all your dry goods. All right, and then just off the kitchen, we have bedroom number 4. And this is new carpet. I would say a full bed and a couple dressers in here as well. Large closet. Wire rack shelving up top. One more look at the living room and then I'm gonna cut you loose here. Just off of the porch here, we're gonna take a right and look at the backyard situation. It's not fenced in and it's not very large, but you do have a nice little patch back here to either do some gardening or the kiddos can play a little bit. It's partially fenced in. Let me restate that. So a little bit of privacy, a little bit of security. See if I can get a pan at the back of the house here. Thank you so much for letting me take you on this house tour in Millington, Tennessee. If you have any further questions about this property or need help building your portfolio or buy box, please contact my team at turnkeyinvest.com. Bye.